moving on, we're going to look at formatting some tabs. So and these are tabs at the bottom, not the tabs that are at the top in the menu. So if you right click down here, you can insert a new tab, and when you do that, this dialog box will come up and ask you what you're trying to insert, and you click OK. It'll just put that new tab there. You can rename the tab to whatever you want. You can, of course, right click and delete it. You can move it. So if you want to move it around, you can take it and select where you want to move this sheet to. So we're looking at whatever, so let's move it to here, and it pops over here. You can also drag it to move it. You can, of course, copy it. So if you want to do that, you can create a copy of it, and when you do that, it'll put a whatever to, and of course I can drag that around. Then you can also color the tab. So if I want to make these different colors, I can do that. So I can highlight which one I'm working on. You can hide the tabs, which are also very nice. So now whatever is hidden, and now I'm going to hide whatever too. Now they're gone, so I can't see them. But if I right click and choose unhide, I can see which tabs are currently hidden, and if I want, I can go ahead and show both of them. Let's say let's hide it, and you can unhide, and you can select more than one sheet, and then you can go ahead and recover them both, or unhide both.